The first item that I want to talk about is our new default dashboard variables. The group, device, and top-end variables that we see here are automatically added to all custom dashboards on initial save. These can then be referenced in the Metrics tab as filters, labels, and query limits. We've also added panel templates. These are pre-configured, ready-to-use panels covering a range of common configurations, from current down device details, ping reachability and downtime comparisons, through anomaly detection, syslog breakdowns and threshold breaches, to device health, traffic breakdowns, and top talkers. All of these panels are also configured to utilize the new default variables. We've also restructured our ping data. The old ping RTT has been replaced entirely by what was previously our high precision ping RTT, and all associated reports and dashboards are updated and upgraded to utilize this new default. We've simplified and expanded our ping loss data, updated how we record ping duplicates, and added ping RTT minimum, maximum, and jitter at 1 minute granularity. If you have custom ping reports, dashboards, thresholds, or alerts, then you may want to check the documentation for details on the additional data that will be available to you. The device overview has been updated with this enhanced ping data, and we are now also polling SNMP availability. Both of these have also been added to the server overview, and the SNMP availability has been added to the network summary dashboard. There have also been a range of minor items, including dashboards offering the ability to aggregate by group, and the expansion and standardization of linking and drill down options across all panel types, expanded SNMP v3 encryption options, improvements to user account management and authentication, updated reporting options for Juniper CPU, RPM, and COS, Palo Alto HA, Blue Coat Systems, Cisco WSA, Efficient IP, Aruba, Hirschman, and Moxa Optical, and Enviromox Environment Monitoring. And the new SNMP status monitoring has of course been integrated into alerting and reporting. We've simplified the query needed for data aggregation by group, and added options to apply filters and formula to both pre and post data aggregation stages in your API queries. The last items to mention are 2 new monitoring products. Now, while these products do have a minimum requirement of a Statseeker version 5.6.0 server, they are not included in the upgrade. These products are licensed separately to the Statseeker core product, so you will need to contact your local Statseeker sales representative to acquire the appropriate license to enable the functionality contained within these new products. The first of these is Meraki Observability. With Statseeker monitoring your Meraki environments, you'll get the data available via Meraki's own monitoring system, additional metrics and analytics not available from Meraki, and some data at a finer granularity than can be collected from Meraki alone. Statseeker provides 7 dashboards and 2 reports out of the box, and you have the option to create your own custom content as needed. A global overview highlighting current availability and down events, latency issues for devices, uplinks and wireless clients, and VPN traffic breakdowns. An appliance-focused overview, and here the client overview, all the filters needed to get the data you're after in a couple of clicks, regardless of how extensive your environment. An events dashboard with event records and syslog feeds. Everything can be plugged into the Statseeker alerting system. Your Meraki inventory, a Meraki switch overview, and a Meraki wireless overview. And of course, indefinite data retention at the polled granularity as your historical data ages. The final item is the Observability Appliance, or OA. The OA is a platform which can be deployed anywhere in the network to enable remote polling from the deployed location. This enables you to provide monitoring services to areas of the network inaccessible to the Statseeker server, offering additional ping monitoring services from various locations, providing the ability to monitor reachability of critical infrastructure from multiple locations throughout the network. Now, the ping RTT comparison dashboard has been updated to take advantage of the data available from multiple deployed OAs. It now features a couple of polar selection lists. In addition to the existing functionality of the dashboard, once you've deployed OAs, you are also able to compare ping data for the same device from multiple locations. Great for looking into how critical infrastructure is servicing a range of locations throughout the network. And that's a quick rundown of most of the changes which have been brought in with Statseeker version 5.6. For additional details, check out the release notes.